I read somewhere that the federal government is investing $80 billion of new funding into IRS enforcement.
Yeah.
So I imagine that is going to impact the tax resolution industry. But seeing as you're the expert, I'm curious, where do you see tax resolution going in the next few years?
So there was an interesting trend over the last couple of years where new lenders would enter the space, not really know what they were getting themselves into. It is a high-risk space.
Sure.
There's a reason why we're able to do what we do, thanks to our fraud detection plus our partnering with Monterey Financials, our main lending partner in the space. But these lenders would come into the space and try to be as aggressive as possible with the highest payouts, the best terms, and unfortunately that's not a long-term solution to this space. A lot of them would come and go within 6 months. They would realize how expensive it was. They would lose their pants and leave. The difference between them and us is, while we have priced ourselves what we consider aggressively in the space, we've also priced ourselves realistically, and we have not changed our payouts since entering this space almost 8 years ago. I think that's one thing that a new merchant can rely on, is that we're not going anywhere. We are a long-standing partner. I've had a merchant of ours calls us ultra reliable. We're not going anywhere. We approve just about everybody, and in the end of the day, we bring down cost per acquisition. We increase conversion. We give you more opportunity to be able to say yes to more people, so you're actually helping more people in the end of the day. While a lot of these new lenders seem very attractive in the moment, they are oftentimes not realistic. Mm-hmm. And that's why you'll see them come and go. And unfortunately, while you thought you were making money at that time, hey, wait, I made money for that 6 months. Yeah, but you're not ready for the chargebacks and for the recourse that you're going to have to deal with now that lender realizes that they did not make the money they thought they were going to. So as far as trends that I hope to see is more long-standing relationships. I'd like to see new lending solutions come and partner with us that are probably more realistic. I don't want to see as many of these small firms, but there will always be somebody trying, and I encourage them to, because they just give me a better example to show to our merchants when they wonder why that program's not working and why ours is.